How do you choose a hotel? Beach, food, entertainment, or atmosphere? What exactly is important to you? In this video, I want to talk about the place of our last vacation, the Sense Deluxe Hotel, why I chose it this time, and show you all the positive and negative aspects, and answer the question, is it worth going there? Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
This is the way.
This is the way.
And enjoy. So, I wanted to find a hotel with low or medium cost, that was either new or recently renovated, with good food and service, as well as a nice, beautiful beach, and conveniently located near the ancient city of Sedet. Did I succeed? Let's find out together. A timeline will be attached in the video description. The cost of a night at the hotel was $225 for a family of 3, and that's during peak season. The room is very clean and the bed is extremely comfortable, a sentiment shared by many other guests staying with us. Upon request, they provide an extra folding bed free of charge. Our balcony overlooked the hotel grounds, giving us a great view. However, due to poor soundproofing, be prepared to become an involuntary participant in all the activities happening at the pool. Fortunately, loud ones only occur 2 to 3 times a day, and the evening disco and programs which always ended after 11. There are also rooms with views of the surrounding area. While the view might be less picturesque, it will definitely be quieter and important if you value a more peaceful stay. Room also includes a mini bar with a fairly standard selection of non-alcoholic beverages. The next detail of the room has caused a lot of negative reviews. The glass partition between the bathroom and the toilet is quite transparent, which can be rather inconvenient, especially during family vacations. But overall, it looks stylish and high quality. To sum up, we generally enjoyed the room. The air conditioning was effective, and the mattresses and pillows were comfortable, ensuring a good night's sleep. What more could you ask for on vacation? Hotel also has swim-up rooms that provide direct access to the adults-only relaxation pool 16+. Now let's talk about the food at the hotel. Selection is quite standard for Turkey. However, we were pleased with the quality and freshness of the ingredients. It's evident that management keeps a close watch. There will be no salmon for breakfast, but there's always a selection of egg dishes, and you can have an omelet made to order with your choice of fillings, as well as pancakes, crepes, or French toast. And the friendly hotel staff are always happy to assist you with your preferences. And now my personal recommendations. You can make a wonderful tea with fresh mint. Simply place some mint in a cup, add hot water, and enjoy the delightful drink. You can add some honey if you're a fan. My kid has grown up, but it was good to see that the restaurant also offers food for the youngest guests. At lunchtime, you can choose between 2 options, the main restaurant or the beach snack bar, which is very convenient, especially for those who enjoy spending the entire day by the sea. The food selection at the snack bar is smaller than in the main restaurant, but fish, meat, salads, fruits, and snacks are always available. They also prepare fresh gözleme and offer ice cream here, but you should be aware that it can get quite hot here, especially in the middle of summer. As I mentioned earlier, the selection of dishes in the main restaurant is a bit larger, and the air conditioning makes dining more enjoyable for me personally. However, the sea breeze and the beautiful view of the ocean definitely have their own advantages as well. In the main restaurant, desserts are added to the selection, and I must say, I really enjoyed them. They were of quite high quality. I admit, I still fondly remember their taste. The dinner menu usually doesn't differ much from lunch, but on Wednesdays, the hotel hosts a seafood night. On that day, you'll find a greater variety of options: shrimp, octopus, salmon, and much more. Additionally, on the lower ground floor, the hotel has a cafeteria where you can enjoy a good coffee throughout the day and choose from a variety of snacks and desserts. They also serve ice cream there. The hotel has several bars that offer locally produced alcoholic beverages. Please note that imported alcohol is not included in the package. The next thing we'll look at and discuss is the beach. It turned out that the hotel is not on the beachfront. And what about the water entry? Since these two negative points were the most frequently mentioned in reviews, I'll start with them. First, I specifically timed it and walked with a camera to determine how long the walk to the beach would take. For me, the walk took 4 minutes at a leisurely pace, but if you are traveling with children or have mobility issues, your time will likely be between 6 and 10 minutes, which, in essence, is not a big problem. In some large hotels with extensive grounds, the walk to the beach has sometimes taken me much longer. And considering that I wanted to be a bit more active on my vacation, this was perfect for me. But of course, it's important to note that in the middle of the day, such a walk becomes much more challenging. The shuttle running between the hotel and the beach has a rather inconvenient schedule from 10 to 6, with a break from 12:30 to 1:30, precisely when it is most needed. We were able to use it just once during our 7-day stay at the hotel, perhaps because the walk wasn't too far, but honestly, during the midday heat, we really missed having it available. The beach is quite extensive, with fine, soft sand. There is plenty of loungers and umbrellas, so finding a free spot is rarely an issue. The staff keep it well maintained. The beach has showers and changing cabins, lifeguard station and areas for beach activities. But what I liked the most was the pier. I believe it's one of the best in the Sedet area. The pier features a bar where you can grab your drink, which is quite convenient. I liked the signature beach towels. They were new and long enough for comfortable use on the loungers. Pier has a convenient ladder for getting into the water. And the depth is sufficient for jumping in, although it's not recommended since the bottom is rocky and the sea depth can vary. There's also a lifeguard station on the pier for your safety. Another very convenient feature is the availability of showers and changing cabins right here on the pier. For an additional fee, you can rent a cabana with a private area on the pier. The rental includes a minibar and extra service. And of course, the stunning view. Overall, we spent most of our beach time on the pier, and I thoroughly enjoyed the experience. And finally, let's take a look at how the water entry on the beach looks. The fine sand at the water's edge gradually gives way to small pebbles, and further in, you encounter a rocky slab. There are some sharp stones underwater in certain areas, but in the center of the beach, the slab is smooth, although quite slippery, so water shoes are highly recommended. However, the entry is fairly comfortable due to the relatively even surface of the slab. The hotel is located in the Manavgat, where the coastline features sandy and pebbly beaches. Its beach borders those of prestigious hotel chains like Brut and Paloma. Just a kilometer away, in the village of Kumkoy, there's an expansive sandy beach with an ideal entry point, free of large stones and pebbles, making it very convenient for getting into the water, especially for small children. However, due to the sand and constant waves, the water in Kumkoy is rarely clear. In contrast, Manavgat offers crystal clear turquoise waters, perfect for snorkeling enthusiasts who are sure to find something interesting to explore, with the water here having a more vibrant blue hue. Another advantage of Manavgat is its proximity to the ancient city of Sedet. If you wish, you can take a leisurely walk along the promenade and reach it in under an hour. And now, guys, here's a quick life hack. I travel frequently, and saving money helps me go on more adventures. For over a decade, I've been using Rakuten, a service that gives up to 25% cash back on shopping and travel. If you sign up using my referral link in the description of this video, you'll get an additional 10% cash back on top of the existing offers on the site. How does it work? For example, if you choose Expedia for your booking, you'll get up to 10% cash back, meaning $233 from the total booking amount. But if you sign up for Rakuten using my link, you'll get an additional 10%, which means another $233. On top of that, you'll be supporting my channel, which will enable me to produce more interesting and useful videos for you. In the next video, I'll show you the hotel grounds, the spa facilities, sports programs, daytime and evening entertainment, and whether the hotel is kid-friendly, along with other interesting details. I recommend subscribing so you don't miss the next episode. My name is Lana Silver. Thank you for watching and welcome to the community.
Siéntelo. Siéntelo.